Hey everybody, Mr. DePay here coming to you with another video. Right now I wanted to show you guys how to speed up your bidding with NFT Handshake. So I've set up a bid here, just a normal under the floor bid, pretty straight up. And it's going to take 8 hours and 24 minutes to finish, which is a very long time, and it's only using one thread. So how do you speed up that? That's really important for every member to understand. So first of all, what we could do is pause it, stop it, and then now I'm going to launch 4 threads to speed up the bidding on this collection, right? So there's 10,420 tokens in this collection, and it's important for us to remember that. Now I'm going to spread out the bids, and let's keep in mind that it took over 8 hours with one thread. So let's set up new bid in here using NFT Handshake. The collection is already predetermined. I'm going to use this wallet, and my bid is going to be 1 to 105. I'm fine with the expiration date and the time. Tokens, that's important now. So we're going to do 1 to 2000. Yeah, that's fine for now. And then sales price 1.39. Save and back. And that's the first thread set up there. So let's do another one. And we're going to pick the same wallet. It's going to remember most of my settings, and I'm going to do 2001 to 4,000. And I'm going to set my expected sales price for the same amount. I'm going to click save and back, basically. So now we can see here we got two threads going now, 1 to 2,000 and 2001 to 4,000. And that's only going to take 1 hour and 40 minutes. I'm going to set up an additional one now and just do the same thing again, 4,001 to 6,000. You could play around with this. Like you might say 2 threads are fine, or 4 threads, or you could do 12 threads if you're insanely fast, and you can bid on 12,000 tokens in like, I don't know, 30, 40 minutes. So anyway, so I set this up, put it in the same details again. And here we see three threads going. And it's only going to take 1 hour and 39 minutes to do 6,000 tokens. And remember that for 10,000 tokens, it was 8 hours. So guys, this is a way you can really speed up your bidding. And I could just keep adding more. You know, I might do a 4th thread right here. And then it's going to be 8,000 tokens in 1 hour, right? So it's really fast. And that's how I want you guys to speed things up. If you have the capacity to do it, right? So I'll set things up here one last time, and we're gonna click save and back. So now we got 4 threads going. Everything is doing the same thing, same bits, just different tokens, and they're all bidding at the same time. The other thing that's pretty good to keep in mind is my expiration time is 2 hours, and it almost takes 2 hours to bid here. So I know once this is finished bidding, I'll just wait another 20 minutes, and I'm going to click this button here, rebid on every single one of these, and I'll be able to keep up my bids at all times, basically. So really simple way to speed things up, but it's important you understand that. And yeah, just let me know if you have any other questions.